This quick guide shows how to repair a frayed Apple Lightning cable safely. Materials you'll need: tweezers, wire strippers, solder, heat shrink tubing, lighter, and electrical tape. Inspect the connector and cable for exposed wires and broken insulation. Unplug and power off devices before repairing to avoid shock or damage. Trim the damaged section, leaving enough length to strip and reconnect. Step 1. Expose inner wires by carefully stripping the outer insulation. Step 2. Twist similar colored wires together to restore each conductor. Step 3. Solder the twisted wires briefly for a reliable electrical connection. Slide heat shrink tubing over the repair and shrink until snug with low heat. Reinforce with electrical tape and add strain relief by wrapping extra tubing. Test the cable with a powered-off device, then plug in to confirm charging. If damage is severe or charging fails, replace the cable and discard unsafe repairs.